Well, good morning there. It is September 29th today, and today's a really busy day here in Pokhara. We're going to start our day 7:30 in the morning right now, and we're going to go do a trek uphill in the Himalayas. I have done my hair. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a French braid. I just needed it off my face, and I got tired of just pulling my hair up in a ponytail when I get sweaty. But yeah, I'm fully expecting to just be dripping sweat today. It's hot, it's humid here in Pokhara, like 30 degrees. It's gonna be sweaty. So I've got my sweat towel. I have deeded myself up. I've got insect repellent. I woke up to a new bite last night right there. So annoying because every bite you get, you have like a higher risk of exposure to dengue fever. So I did my best today to deed up. I even deeded my legs with insect repellent and then put leggings on top because they're so tight to my skin that the mosquitoes were biting through my pants. So I had to put DEET underneath and then pull the leggings up, which now they're basically just my second skin because they're stuck to me. So this should be interesting. But yeah, let's go get breakfast, meet up with the rest of the group, and go hiking. Those are all mountains. Okay, we're starting our hike now. We made it to the starting point, and it's completely uphill the first bit, of course. So let's start off. Up and up we go. Okay, we're only like 5 minutes in, and it's very hot, and I'm already sweating. But we actually are hiking in the clouds. That's so cool. And then this way is the mountains. It's so bright. Including the fishtail somewhere. I don't know where it is. Is that a yak or a cow? Look at the yak.
Look at the babies. Babies are so cute.
Oh my God.
So cute.
Daniel lent me his personal fan, which has been a very big relief on this hike. But we just saw a yak. We're stopped to look at the view, but the clouds did come and block most of the mountains. We have a little peak of one there. but our mountain view disappeared. But we did see it a lot earlier, so that was good. But stunning walk. Not too much walking actually, it's just very humid and uphill. But now we're gradually walking down through this countryside. There's a lot of goats and animals, beautiful rice terrace views, and the foothills and valley. It's stunning. I'm so glad that I did this walk today.
Yeah, I had one in my sock too.
Yeah, I know. I'm just probably eating my blood right now. Love that for me. Oh my god, we've just discovered the leeches now. So they were crawling all over my sneakers. They were in Alex's bloody sock. They crawled through the sock.
And Kyra started his...
I'm just screaming. Oh my god. No, because I knew about them. I watched a YouTube video. We're all freaking out, but now it's like, oh god. I don't know. I guess I have to see if there's a leech sucking my blood when I get back to the car. Oh no. It goes through socks. So you're not even safe with like proper hiking shoes. It will crawl into your hiking shoe.
It went through my...
So we went from there,
Yes.
up there, to the middle one,
Yeah.
and then down the path.
Yes.
And then we had the leeches.
The leech explosion.
Yeah.
And now we're coming back. Good job.
Cards there.
Oh my gosh. Ah. Look at all the dirt. How should you approach this? I don't even know. Just step in the red dirt. Whoa!
Yeah, I saw that. It's flat.
This is how diva I am, fan.
We don't need to worry about power because we're just going downhill, chuck it in neutral.
Okay, I've never been so happy to see a van. We finished the walk and I still have my fan.
The egrets like the cow.
There are leeches on the back of the cow. They are taking.
Ah.
That's why they are following. Western Nepal.
Oh, yes,
Western.
We're here in a Tibetan community and we're going to make momos with a Tibetan lady. So excited. We're hungry after our hike.
So hungry.
So she eyeballs the water.
It's all about consistency.
Is it water and that, or the water?
Just water and
Water
flour.
and flour.
If you like salt, you can put salt. Yes.
It's okay.
Yes.
For this,
Yeah.
15 minutes.
15.
Oh, just 15 minutes. Okay, super quick.
Make soft.
Yeah.
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 See,
Nice.
you see this texture.
Pass. Sure.
I don't know.
Game. Passing.
It's good to feel the texture because then you know the amount of water that you should
It's
use.
really soft.
You just have to make it softer.
You can put inside and
So
let
it'll
it
rise
rest.
Yes.
in the plastic, yeah.
For 15 minutes. Yeah. Good.
Momo making.
So we are
Because
making.
depending on the
Men in the kitchen.
This is the best cooking class I've ever been to. Fat chicken.
Fragrant.
A vegetarian.
How do you want to make it?
Oh, the oil is so doesn't stick.
Nice.
So good, right?
This map of India.
Then you listen.
Yeah, it looks like India. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ajay,
The ones that are
Too
like
much meat.
It's your birthday song? Sweetie sung it and I replied. Little plastic bits. I'm outside his room.
Oh, you can make different shape for vegetable momo.
Oh, really?
You can use this one.
And here we go. Momo.
Video the taste test.
She asked me inside if I was hot. It's like, "Are you hot?"
We're all bloody hot. Okay, we're gonna try them in the momo that we made. Ooh, sorry. I love momo.
In winter, but then it's dappled light.
Yeah. They're gonna be like. Good evening, everybody. I'm dressed for dinner, and I'm really glad that I'm able to go to dinner because unfortunately I did not drink enough water today, and we did so much sweating. So of course we did that walk, which I anticipated would be very sweaty, and I was prepared for that. But what I wasn't prepared for was when we left and we caught our ride after the hike. We went to this Tibetan refugee camp, which was really special, and I really enjoyed my time there. We were welcomed to this Tibetan woman's home where she made momo dumplings with us and basically showed us how to do it because we had no idea, and I tried but was really bad at it. But I love momos, so I was very happy to participate in whatever way that I could. But it was very hot in her home. The homes in the refugee camp are provided by Red Cross, so obviously they're very basic. They don't have proper ventilation, so it was very hot and all of us were really sweaty. So not only did I sweat on the hike, but I also released a lot of sweat in that Tibetan home, and we were there for lunch, so we spent about 2.5 hours there, and the entire time I was sweating. So unfortunately all of that moisture loss led to me getting quite ill, and it led to pretty bad dehydration. So I had a lot of bad symptoms like a really severe headache, numb lips, dizziness, and just overall feeling really crap. If you can tell that I'm a little low energy tonight, it's because I am recovering from feeling really bad. But I've been given electrolytes. I'm traveling with a doctor. We have a doctor in our Intrepid group, and she was able to provide me some things that made me feel a little bit better. So I'm really grateful that she took the time to check on me and make sure that I was okay, because I just was really not good. I was okay 1 second and then I went downhill really fast. And we were doing shopping at the Tibetan camp, so they have little boutiques and trinket stores and stuff. So I did buy some keychains from a really old cute couple, Tibetan couple, and I just wanted to support them because I don't know, you know, like what can I do? I can buy the stuff that they make, and maybe that makes a small difference for them. I'm not sure. So I bought myself and my mom a keychain that they made us. Oh, I guess I could show it to you. First of all, they gave it to me in this cute little hand-sewn bag. So cute. Yeah, and so when I was buying these trinkets, I was feeling so ill, and I just wanted to support them though before I left. So I bought this one for me, which is just little, I mean, they say turquoise. It's like turquoise with some little beads and stuff. I'm not sure. I don't know. Hit myself with it. I thought it was cute, so that's mine. And then I got Masha this one here. You know, it's cute. You can put it on your keys. So I'll definitely use it. I just didn't know what else to buy from them. Like, they were selling so many different things. So if you like shopping, of course you're gonna love shopping here. Nepal has so many treasures to pick up along the way. So after that, we drove back to the hotel, and everybody else went to the pool because all we wanted to do was swim and cool off, which of course I was really looking forward to, but I was so sick I just had to come to the room and nurse myself back to a stable state. So not very ideal, but at least enough to go to dinner. So it's 6:30. I'm gonna head back down, meet the group, and I've changed into my dress tonight. I haven't worn this dress yet. I was supposed to wear it on a night when we were like doing a fancy dinner, but I'm gonna wear it tonight because it's like really long coverage. Let's see if I can show you. It's really cute. So it's got very flowy details to it. It's got a really long skirt, so it's quite modest, but it's very cooling because it's very hot here in Pokhara. And then of course I just have to have my things. So I brought my sling. I love this bum bag. I bought it in Singapore, so it's coming in handy on this leg of the trip for sure. So that's the outfit of the night. And I also have my sandals on. There's not a full length mirror in here to show you, but anyways, it's fine. I feel well enough to go to dinner, but definitely still out of it. So I'm gonna hopefully get a really good rest tonight. We are doing a travel day tomorrow to Chitwan, which actually I'm so excited about. It's the jungle. It's where we have the opportunity to potentially see Bengal tigers on a game drive. So it's very exciting. But first, I'm gonna go have dinner with the group, and I will check in with you guys either there or I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Yeah. Oh, that's hot. Bloody hell. I know, and I just grabbed it. Look at the pizza. Hey, dinner.
They're not being peeled in the
That is
Burning marshmallow.
and that got demolished. Happy birthday! We got birthday cake. Daniel, why did you take the whole cake?
One more gift as well. One more gift.
Aww.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah!
What does it say? No way.
I have also one from Mr. Daniel as well.
Thank you.
I couldn't even see it. Oh my god, that's so cute. Put it on.
Wait, let me hold it.
Oh my god.
So cute, look.
And that wrapped up our final night in Pokhara. Even though I was sick from dehydration, I definitely still enjoyed the hike and was so glad I did it. The hot and humid weather and the leeches made the walk super challenging, but the views were so stunning, it was all worth it. I mean, look at those mountains. 3 people in our group celebrated their birthdays during the tour, and our lovely guide bought them all custom-made t-shirts as gifts, which I thought was so lovely and thoughtful. Unfortunately, this night, one of the men on our tour got sick with severe food poisoning, which unfortunately is a common occurrence here in Nepal. You can't drink the tap water, and poor food handling does occur, and you can get pretty ill. Tony and his wife had to leave the tour temporarily to seek medical attention at a hospital, but thankfully he felt better after a couple IV rounds, and they were able to rejoin the tour the next day for our final destination. Thank you for watching episode 7 of this vlog series, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. We drove 6 hours on probably the worst highway ever to the tropical and very hot Chitwan National Park, so you don't want to miss it. I'll see you guys then in the next video. Bye!